Bismillahi wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. Alhamdulillah, we're going over introduction to Nahm, and it's just dealing with words. The same way you learnt in English, you dealt with words, letters, words, and then you went on to sentences, phrases, etc. We're going to be doing a similar approach. And now we're going to go over the seventh type of i'rab for nouns. Subhanallah, 10 years later. Okay, so we went through 6 types of nouns. We said there's a singular noun, and then we said there's a broken plural. We went through jul, we went through sound and masculine and sound feminine plural. So we went through number 1 mufrad, jamma taksir, number 2, number 3 muthanna, then we went through jamma mudhakkar salim, then we went through jamma muannas salim, then we went through mabni. And we said mabni are those words which don't change. Okay? If you've forgotten them, please recap them. Okay? Today inshallah we'll be covering this, the 7th type of i'rab. Something called Ghayr Munsarif. Ghayr Munsarif, if you say with me, Ghayr Munsarif. Ghayr Munsarif. So it's a noun which does not take tanween and does not take a kasra and does not take a kasra. Okay? It does not take an, in, and does not take e. Kasra. Now, most nouns, most ism, most asma, they take tanween except for these Ghayr Munsarif. Now, how do you recognize it in the Quran? So in the Quran, you'll recognize it because it has no tanween, it has no kasra. Yes, for marfu, it'll have dhamma, and for mansub and majroor, it will have fatha. Okay, now what are they? These are Ghayr Munsarif include names, they include some plurals and include some adjectives. Okay, now hopefully this will make things clear. Look, in marfu, what did we say? It's expressed with a dhamma. Example, the name Ahmad, yes, Ahmad would not be Ahmadun, it would be Ahmadu. It would never be Ahmadun. Okay? So example now, if I was to say Ahmad came, I would say Ja'a Ahmadu. I would not say Ja'a Ahmadun. Normally the example we gave is Ja'a Zaydun. Yes? Zayd is a special name. Okay? We won't go into that rule right now. Then we said for Mansub and for Majroor, these two, they are the same. They take the same. So sometimes it'll come for a fatha. So sometimes at the end of the word you'll have a fatha. Sometimes for majroor you'll have a fatha. So example, Ra'aytu Ahmada. I saw Ahmad. I saw Ahmad. Yes. Then the other one, Maradtu bi Ahmada. I passed by Ahmad, which is majroor. So this one is in the state of majroor, and this is in the state of mansub. This is in the state of marfu. By the way, the reason this is very important, it expresses certain things, it tells us certain things. Please copy this table down. So example, certain, yes, ashya, ulama, anbiya, Umar, Sulaiman, Ibrahim. Look at the way they expressed in marfu. Dhamma, dhamma at the end, dhamma at the end, dhamma at the end, dhamma at the end, dhamma at the end. Now in mansub, it should be fatha. Look, it's fatha at the end, fatha at the end, fatha at the end, fatha at the end, fatha, fatha. But now when it comes to majroor, normally you were told with a mufrad noun, a singular noun, and a jamma taksir, a broken plural, what should you get? You should get kasratain, two kasras. But the way I know this word, ulama, it can only take a fatha. It never takes a tanween. It'll never take these. Okay? It'll never take these. Yes? Never. It'll never take this. Or it'll never take kasra as well. Okay? I hope that's clear. So here's a final master table. I will give you time to memorize this, inshallah. But before we go on, inshallah, I want you to start from here and memorize this table. So you'll start from marfu. You'll start like this. Repeat after me. Marfu, muslimun, muslimani, muslimuna, muslimatun, muslimu. Mansub, musliman, muslimaini, muslimina, muslimatin, muslima. Muslimin, muslimaini, muslimina, muslimatin, muslima. Yeah. By the way, muslima is not a Ghayr Munsarif word. Okay? But this is just so that you understand, because it's your first time, I just want you to work with this. Alright? So if you ever see in the Quran, oh, there's no alif lam, but why is it in the state of fatha? It's because it's a Ghayr Munsarif word. Okay? And I'd also want you to think like this. Marfu equals the doer, mansub equals the object, majroor is the preposition. Just quick recap before we said kalima has three types: ism, fi'l, harf. And fi'l, ism has four characteristics. Definite, if it's definite, it'll have alif lam. Indefinite, tanween. I'rab, this is what we've gone over. Number, we've gone over this. And gender, we've gone over this. I'rab, just a quick one. We said that for singular and broken plural, it's an, in, or it's tanween, or single dhamma, single fatha, single kasra, or jul, it's ani for marfu, aini for mansub and majroor, and then for sound masculine plural, it's una for marfu, and then it's ina at the end for mansub and majroor. Sound feminine plural, it's atun for marfu, atin for mansub and majroor. And Ghayr Munsarif, it's dhamma for marfu, and kasr and fatha for mansub and majroor. Okay, jazakallah khair. Please go over this. أقول قولي هذا أستغفر الله لكم وأتوب إليه. جزاك الله.